He tried to say want to pursue Igbo in Abuja. Wike don't have the strength. He don't have the power. Let me remind you, when Fashola is a governor in Lagos State, Fashola tried to do the same thing. When he loads Igbos from Lagos here to East, he said that if you don't have money to go back or you don't have anything to do in Lagos, come to a government house and collect, is it 5,000 naira or 8,000 naira to go back to your village. They don't have the power. Talk less on Wike. Which the Wike start his own. Wike just a little boy when Igbo is. No need to give her 7 days or not 7 days. Wike, even if you not collect the punishment now, the children will suffer it. You know what Bible God used when they want to crucify Jesus? They say, let the blood of Jesus go there on top of their head and their children and the children to 7 generations. What this Wike is doing now is what will affect in children. The children. How many years remain Wike to die? Do you understand me? Wike already tested life. Enjoy life. But what's happened in future? You understand me? What's happened in future? So me, I didn't see that to give Wike 7 days much necessary. Like the governor of Imo State, what is happening in the governor of Imo State and Imo people? The governor of Imo State doing something will affect in generation. It's not present now because they already said their mind to demon, to the devil. They don't have any woman sympathy. They don't have anything woman feeling. You understand me? So Igbo to give us 7 days is nothing. Let the gods to fight for the thing. And I know that Wike cannot pursue Igbo man at Abuja. Wike does not have power to pursue Igbo man at Ikwere.
Where is the FCT minister?
EFCC minister.
FCT.
EFCC. Whether EFCC minister or not EFCC minister, there's the lion of the jungle. There's Igbo man is the lion in that jungle, in the struggle. Wike is still be Tata. With the Wike get power for Asorok, Abuja, for LCT. In just few months' time, we can have that strength. We will still there. How many months or years? You will stay pack in load and do what? And get out. You understand? It's just few time. Igbo men will still be there. Igbo men, the lion, will still be there. And Wike will still come back and beg. Wike will lead down with you and beg Igbos. Okay, look at Asare Tokubo. Wike never do what Asare Tokubo does. You understand? Wike never do 1/4 what Asare Tokubo do. What happened for Asare Tokubo now? Asare Tokubo is running scatter. You know that the spirit of the land, your own land, he denied that you are not Igbo man because of power. He denied your identity. No, it's a shame. What story the man will tell in children? Okay, now in Nigeria now we have only 3 tribes in this country: Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo. Okay, where Wike belong? He belong to Yoruba or he belong to Hausa? No, let's tell ourselves the truth. I didn't see the man as the man is not the issue of Igbos. What I want to tell Igbos, Igbo millionaires, nothing like home. You understand me? The advice I'm giving them is nothing like home. When you have 20 outside, try to get 100 to your home. Because your people must eat for your pockets. If your people don't eat for your pocket, that's time you will see your people will turn to a terrorist. When you open company for your people, when they finish education, they will go to your company and work. They don't need to go another city to go and stay. They will stay for their land, work and collect a good money and take care of themselves. Wike do not have right to say, Igbo man, go to your land. Yoruba man will not have right, go home to your place and establish. But open your own land. Invest for your land. Invest for your land. Let job opportunity come to your citizen. Don't carry your job opportunity and go outside. You see your people, they are hungry. You tell me that if you come back home, your people will not kidnap you because they are hungry. Do you understand me? That Igbo man that built company in Abuja, built houses in Abuja, built hotel in Abuja, let that Igbo man carry in company, go Owerri, go Anambra, go Abia State, go Mahia, go Ebonyi State, go Enugu State, go and open it. Let the citizen of your people to get job opportunity. Forget Abuja, Lagos, other states. Go home and do it. Like me, I pray when God bless me, I will go back to my city and build, employ my people. They will serve me, they will work for me. I will feed them. The feeding I'm talking about is not when you come to my house, no, I carry 20 now, 20, 100, I give. No, I will open company, employ you, work and collect a good salary. Next time, even though the evil one plan against me, my people will sit tell me, guys, see what is going on. They cannot stand there. So the people from another world to come and murder me. No. What happens in the world now, they say kidnapping like is because of boys that are jobless. Guys, they are jobless. If you have a good job, you are doing nothing like kidnapping. Nothing like boys to carry gun and wait for road. They will do what? They focus for their work. If you go work by 8 o'clock, come back by 5 o'clock, my brother, you don't have time to say you want to kidnap. You understand me? I don't say anything about Wike or Igbo give and 7 days. I'm not Wike fans. You understand me? I'm not Wike fans. I'm telling the reality. Let Igbo millionaires go home and establish their place. Okay, look at Abia State now. Now many people try to go back to Abia State because there is a light there. Abia State, we know that he cannot enter Abia State by 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. He cannot stay in Abia State. But now he can go to Abia State by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You understand me? We make the government let the bad one guy. It's not our purpose to make you to be a bad guy. But look at it. Let's do like this. Let's do like this. You see those guys who come down and hug you. Yeah, this is our person. He wants our good living. Not to go to another city to open city. No. I'm not there to build company in another city is very bad. No. Because without foreigners, your place cannot be open. Let some people still come our place to develop our land. Let's have more job opportunity. At least Lagos and Abuja, space will be there. Where space will be there, Okori will get a job, Okenku will get a job, Wike and Mbori, everybody will have job opportunity. Things will just move out. As you are a journalist, you can come to my land, my city, and go, Mr. Lawrence, how this place, how our governor, how those big millionaire or businessmen they are doing. I will tell you, they are doing very well. Is it? Traveler is a part of education. You understand me? What I want to tell Igbo millionaire, they say they give Wike 7 days. My brother, not like home. Go your home and develop your place.
Sure, the cost that they say if Wike don't apologize, that there will be a cost on him. Like, do you think anything like cost we manifest on him?
My brother, listen. That like goes. But let me tell you one thing. When you sell your soul to a demon, you don't have anything to beg again. Do you understand? Those our politicians, they are monsters. They are monsters. They no believe say let me beg. May the God of land no come revenge. No. Remember what happened for former governor of Imo State? Former governor of Imo State, what is his name? Hope was of them, man.
See the governor.
No be Hope, what is the name of this man? Rochas Okorocha. There's one market in Imo State, Rochas. Wike is from which state? It's from River State, I mean. Which game River State? Igbo is River State is for Biafra land. You understand me? Igbo River State is from Igbo land. It's Biafra land. Wike is Igbo name. You understand me? Wike is Igbo name. If you go to Bible or whatever book they want to write Igbo language, you go see Wike. You understand me? Now, Wike destroying people. Only that thing first. Only that thing you already damaging career. To feel he killing people when he be governor for River State. That one is just he kill himself, their identity, because of selfish interest, because of the governor, because of jealous, because particular city or particular people, there are people that are pushing Nigeria so much. Because people that own the economy of Nigeria see the Igbos. Let me mention the Igbos, Anambra, Imo, Abia, and that 5 states. The strongest people that are known in the Igbo land. Now, you see her power to go back to federal. He said that the way it is for River State, Ikwere, Patakos, that the way it still do for Abuja. Let me tell you one thing. When Adolf Hitler tried to wipe Israel out in this planet, Adolf Hitler cannot do it. The people that see this, there's people that have special gifts. Igbo have the special gifts like as Israel have. You understand?
Lastly, Yaya Bello, EFCC chairman has come and said that if he doesn't prosecute Yaya Bello, that he will resign. I know in Nigeria corruption has eaten into our system, and do you think that he will win this case against Yaya Bello?
My brother, listen. One thing about this country that corruption already sink this country. Person call EFCC chairman, is it the man the hand clean? No, let's tell ourselves. In the president of Nigeria, the hand clean. The governors, their hand clean. Talk less of Yaya Bello. My brother, let me say, this is job. It's story for the gods. They know where they start. They know where they go end their story. Let me tell you what. So also Nigeria citizens, the innocent one, they're not supposed to put their mouth for this nonsense because I see that's a mess.
Because, no, the man is saying EFCC chairman say Nigerians should come out and support EFCC.
Come out what? Come support who? When from head is corrupt. Themselves, the USC, they are not corrupt. Let them go to hell. Listen, I'm not interested Yaya Bello or EFCC chairman or whatever it is. Let him start from your own side first. Let it start for him people. Let it start for him family. Or let it start for the president. We know that he's working. Maybe because of one thing or the other, he said that let him go to hell. All of them know what they are doing. We Yaya Bello or no Yaya Bello, all of them, they are the same family, the same papa, the same mama. Me, I don't support any of them. If you know them when they drop their mouths, may they go back, carry their mouths, go and lie down. They are talking jab. All the money they recover for Abacha debt, since how many years, where they use that money did. You understand me? The money where they bring, okay, the money Obasanjo bring the time of Tulumbu, Buhari. What did the Buhari use the money did? The one Obasanjo Tulumbu bring, where did they use it? Oh God, may they go sit down. May they just think better thing for the poor masses in here. Look at the rice is how much now. Poor man cannot see rice buy. Poor man cannot see garret drink. May they tell us, may they tell me the one wey dey important to me, no be the money wey dem dey squat.
Are you not saying Yaya Bello should, they should free him from the 80 billion charges?
What you concern me that whether they like, make them free, and if you like, make them not free, no concern me. You no add anything for me. What I thought was to add something for me and common people of Nigeria. That 80 million or 80 billion is what is chicken change to them whether they steal. It's a chicken change. Maybe somebody see 2 pulling van for your house. How much pulling van? Each pulling van is how much? What are you talking about? My brother, thank you and thank you our fans.
Thank you very much.